Love. The next things mentioned in this great supplication are the love of Allah, the Exalted, loving those who sincerely love Allah, the Exalted, and to love the good deeds which brings one closer to the love of Allah, the Exalted. This aspect of the supplication includes all things which are good and useful in both worlds. Only when the sincere love of Allah, the Exalted, is established in one's heart will it lead them to perform the righteous actions which are beloved to Allah, the Exalted. The one who loves Allah, the Exalted, will love the things which Allah, the Exalted, loves in respect to words and actions. This love will inspire one to avoid sins, as displeasing Allah, the Exalted, contradicts having sincere love for Him. The love of Allah, the Exalted, can be split into two aspects. The first type is obligatory for all Muslims. This includes loving and proving this love through actions by fulfilling the obligatory duties which are loved by Allah, the Exalted. It includes disliking and refraining from all the actions which Allah, the Exalted, hates, namely sins. Therefore, whenever one fails to adhere to this, it shows that their love for Allah, the Exalted, is deficient. Correcting this love requires one to make sincere repentance and to strive to fulfill these two important aspects so that they can perfect their love for Allah, the Exalted. The second aspect of the love of Allah, the Exalted, is to strive to perform voluntary righteous deeds for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. Fulfilling the obligatory duties, abstaining from sins and performing voluntary righteous deeds lead to obtaining the love of Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. Loving Allah, the Exalted, includes being content with the decree of Allah, the Exalted, as one knows that it has been chosen by their beloved, namely, Allah, the Exalted. In addition, the great supplication mentions loving those who love Allah, the Exalted. The perfection of love is to love those who love Allah, the Exalted, and dislike those who dislike Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.